So you must be vet.
Yeah, well, that's what my mom calls me.
You don't look like my brother's type. So you're the reason my brother died, right?
Your brother didn't just die because of me, all right? He died protecting me and his unborn child.
So you say. Is that even his kid?
Don't make me out to be some gold digger or some opportunistic side chick, okay? I'm not a liar. And Eric wouldn't like that.
So now we're speaking for the dead?
Look, I just want my son to know his father's family, okay?
He will know his family. Because when Eric Jr. comes out of mommy's belly, he will be with grandparents and auntie, away from that mommy, who's the reason that auntie has no brother, and grandma and grandpa has no son. But don't we have you? Isn't that right, Eric Jr.? Yeah, no, that's right.
When was the last time any of you saw or spoke to Eric? Huh? Couple weeks? Couple months? It's been 3 years. So don't act like you're some loving, close family.
Watch yourself.
Look, nobody is gonna take my baby away from me, especially when I know everything.
Is that right?
Yeah. Eric told me everything.
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 I'm sure he did. This is a nice place that you guys had.
Canary.
Okay.